Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your oxygen level on your Apple Watch. First, make sure your Apple Watch model supports the Blood Oxygen app. You'll need an Apple Watch Series 6 or newer. Next, confirm the Blood Oxygen app is installed and enabled on your watch through the Health app on your iPhone. Finally, wear your watch snugly on your wrist, not too tight, but firm enough to prevent movement, ensuring the best possible contact for accurate measurements. To take a reading, open the Blood Oxygen app on your Apple Watch. Once open, rest your arm on a flat surface, like a table, with your palm facing upwards. It's crucial to remain as still as possible for the entire 15-second measurement period. Any movement can interfere with the sensors and lead to an inaccurate result. The app will count down and then display your reading. Your blood oxygen level, or SpO2, typically ranges from 95 to 100% for most healthy individuals. If your readings are consistently below 95%, or if you have any concerns, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. For the most accurate results, ensure good blood flow by avoiding cold temperatures and tight clothing around your wrist. Also, avoid taking readings immediately after intense exercise. If you're experiencing inconsistent readings, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, regularly clean the back crystal of your Apple Watch to ensure the sensors are clear. Second, make sure your watch band is appropriately sized and fitted, not too loose or too tight. Lastly, be aware that tattoos or certain skin conditions on your wrist might interfere with the sensor's ability to get an accurate reading. Always prioritize comfort and proper fit for the best data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.